Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mexican-style quesadillas. First, gather your ingredients: tortillas, cheese, and your chosen filling. For an authentic taste, select Mexican cheeses like Oaxaca or Chihuahua. You can use a variety of fillings, such as seasoned chicken, sautéed vegetables, or even just cheese for a simple option. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to assembling. Start by warming your tortillas on a comal or a dry skillet over medium heat for about 15 to 20 seconds per side. This makes them pliable and prevents cracking. Next, lay a tortilla flat and spread a generous, but not excessive, layer of your chosen cheese on one half. Then, add your prepared filling evenly over the cheese. Don't overfill, or it will be hard to fold. With your quesadilla assembled, it's time to cook it to perfection. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled half, pressing down gently to seal the edges. Place the folded quesadilla onto your hot comal or skillet. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and crispy, and the cheese inside is beautifully melted and gooey. Keep an eye on the heat to prevent burning. Once your quesadilla is golden and the cheese is perfectly melted, carefully remove it from the heat. Let it rest for about 1 minute before cutting. This brief rest helps the cheese set slightly, preventing it from oozing out too much. Cut your quesadilla into 2 or 3 pieces, depending on its size. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your delicious homemade Mexican-style quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.